We are on the western end of Manitoulin Island. It's been cloudy all day, and finally the sun has come out, and we have some beautiful white lily pads and lilies. We are on the Sheshegwaning First Nation Reservation. We were looking for Cape Roberts. They have the remains of a lighthouse and a brand new tower. Well, we did not find it because the roads just seemed to disappear. But it did take us down to a lovely Cunningham Bay, where we picked up some beautiful rocks.
Oh, we saw wildlife. You know, it's funny, I was just thinking I wouldn't be surprised if there was one in here. It just seems like the kind of road.
Yeah, and this is what we like this for. By the time you got your camera, they're gone.
Yeah. Well, I had it bed down. I'm ready now. Of course, I'm not going to see one now, but... be ready.
We've got grizzly bears. We had one video where a deer ran out onto the road.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.